Okay, good afternoon. So I'll be um, doing the parse and translating the verse Numbers chapter 3 verse 41 to 43 in Hebrew. So I'll read first the English. The Lord said to Moses, "Count all the firstborn Israelites males who are a month old or more and make a list of their names." Verse 41, "Take the Levites for me in place of all the firstborn of the Israelites, and the livestock of the Levites in place of all the firstborn of the livestock of Israel. I am the Lord." Verse 42, "So Moses counted all the firstborn of the Israelites as the Lord commanded him." And last verse, 43, "The total numbers of firstborn males a month old or more listed by name was 22,273. So now I'll be reading the Hebrew transliteration of Numbers chapter 3 verse 41 to 43. Verse 40, "Wayomer Adonai El Moshe Pekod Kol Bikhor Zahar Levni Yisrael Mi bin Kodesh Bama Allah Bi Bisait Mispar Shamotam Bilak 41 Bilakakta It Ha Libiim Li Adonai Takhat Kol Bikmor Bivni Yisrael Biit Bihimat Ha Libiim Tahak Kol Bihikor Bihimat Bini Yisrael. 42 Wa Va Yekod Mushi Kaashir Chiva Adonai Oto It Kol Bikor Bivni Yisrael. Last verse 43 Va Ye He Kol Biknor Bikor Zachar Bimispar Shemot Mibim Kodesh Bama Allah Likodihim Shaim Vishirim Elif Shloha Yushibim Matayim. So that's the transliteration of Numbers chapter 3 verse 41 to 43. So now I'll read the parsing of the verses. First is the um, Wayomer. It is third person masculine singular. It's a verb and consecutive imperfect. And Yahweh, which means the Lord, is a proper noun and it refers to God. This is il, or in English is to. It is a preposition, indicates direction of the action. And Mose or Moses, it is a proper noun. It is a name. It is a name of a Israelite leader. And next is um, pagud or count or number. It is a verb, imperative,